So we have the last thing before last one is like annotations. They are completely actually completely yeah they don't do something to your functions, but they are like metadata to your function. So if you do f of spam, so it tells you that okay, ham is a string, x is a string, and the return should be also a string. It's like some metadata instead of just defining functions like this normally without telling what should be like what type of argument it should be. This can be helpful. This can be helpful, like if you want to make your types more restrictive and to have like some metadata about them and restrictive also the return and everything.